Okay, we're up here at Subway and Steve's got to do his usual. So we've got Aaron Pippin out there getting ready to mow. And he had to go walk and get gas. So, in the meantime, since I've got to be typical of Aaron, I took the blade off his mower and let's see him push that mower back and forth. Okay, Aaron's here. He's going to try this mower. Let's see what he can until he realizes. He's going to put gas in it and let's see him go mow. Here he goes. It sounds strange too. He's checking the tire pressure.
He's gonna raise it down.
He Lord. I'm in so much trouble. And it sounds so silly.
It always sounds.
He's looking.
He's looking.
He's shocked. It keeps shocking him. He's trying to turn it off, but it shocks him. Listen to that mower. It sounds like a weed eater.
It does. That's his kill, huh?
Yeah. He's madder than hell. Come look at this. He's asking her to come look.
He probably thought he lost the blade. Hold it down.
Oh, he's gonna look. I gotta zoom in on his face.
Look. No, it's not. Hey, should I bring a blade out to you?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Yeah, underneath the couch. Now watch out. Okay, Chris is walking up. Let's see what he says to Chris. Okay, you bringing it out? Okay. Aaron, did you get it done yet? It is that good. Wait till you see this, Chris.